Good morning guys. Today is January 4 and yesterday we have the snow.
My eyes are so cute.
We have a black cat outside.
Let's see.
Baby, don't
So ayan, mag-almusal tayo ngayon. Ito ang aming leftover na suman from New Year at saka kape. And then gumawa din ako kanina ng fried bread. Yung grapes natin guys, nung bagong taon pa to. Tingnan mo yung baba namin, maputi na.
Baby, don't you want company?
So, today, mag-uulan ng snow all day. Meron kaming bad weather. It's supposed to be blizzard. So, sa ibang states, talagang tambak-tambak na yung mga snow. Tapos, yung traffic, tawag nito, marami nang, may mga aksidente na. Tapos, nagpo-froze yung kalsada, kaya madulas siya. Yan guys, paalis kami ni Mister kasi mag-grocery kami. Yeah. Tignan mo guys, ang dami na driveway today.
You grind your teeth, can't hide your bloodshot eyes, talking in your sleep. Guess
Yung bad weather, parang ilang araw yata siya mag-i-stay. Kaya, yan, kailangan natin mag-grocery kasi hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan yung bad weather. Kailangan natin mag-stock ng mga lulutuin. Yung kagandahan naman dito kapag masama yung panahon, walang pasok yung mga bata. Kaya okay.
Climbing up the dark, guess we're on a losing streak, but we're in the company. I feel better when
Yan, so yung kalsada guys, nagiging siya, parang basang ice, yung slushy. So kailangan mag-ingat kasi pagka nag-freeze yan uli, sobrang dulas niya. So yan yung usually na causes ng accident. So yung city, meron naman silang nagatanggal. Sa ngayon, wala pa. Pero baka mamaya, meron naman tatanggal ng ice sa kalsada. Yan, tapos na kami guys. Uwi na.
yeah. You can try that one.
Okay. I'll put this inside. Yeah. Yeah.
Just when it gets hard, you are
So bumili din kami ng asin. Yan, para to guys, pampatunaw ng ice sa driveway.
Traction now.
Yeah.
It's about stopping.
I feel better when you speak. 'Cause you know the words to comfort me. Guess we're on a losing streak. But we're not good company. I feel better when you speak. 'Cause you know the words to comfort me.
Or grocery. You're wearing chinelas. Hi! Yan guys, lalabas daw si Hana. So, kailangan niya mag-snowsuit para makapaglaro siya.
It's getting late. Torn from my eyes, gone to another place. We'll come right. We'll come right.
Si Hana naglalaro.
Oh, your boots are dirty? Yeah. Well, there's not quite enough snow to go sledding. See, we can still see the grass. Good, baby. Make a snow angel. No, lay down. Okay. There you go. Oh, it looks nice, huh, baby?
I'm gonna destroy it. I'm cold.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're gonna start the tractor and get prepared for plowing the snow or brushing the snow, whatever you want to call it.
Mr. manunood ng football. So, nag-request siya ng pizza. So, yan ang ating gagawin. So, meron tayo ditong jalapeno, yellow banana peppers. Yan ang pizza sauce. And then, gagawa din ako ng macaroni salad. Yan guys, gumagawa na ako ng pizza daw. Yan guys, si Mr. nag-uumpisa ng tanggalin yung snow doon sa driveway namin. Kasi yung ilalim ng snow magiging ice siya. Kaya mahirap na siyang tanggalin kapag kumapal pa. So, yan. Tignan mo si Hana naglalaro ng ice. Tignan mo yung ginagawa ni Hana. So guys, pinapaalsa ko lang yung pizza. Siguro mga 1 hour or 1 hour and a half pwede na siya. Yan guys, excuse for the mess of my kitchen. Yeah, my kitchen is always busy. So sometimes I cook like 2-3 times a day or sometimes more than that. So yan, my kitchen is also need renovations after everything done in other part of the house, so it should be the kitchen next. Yeah, so we have planned to remove all the cabinets in the top. So I forgot to tell you guys that I'm doing 2 types of salad. So I'm going to make the romaine and onion salad and then the macaroni salad. Yan yung ating macaroni. Luto na rin siya. So dito naman, hinalo ko na yung mga chopped ingredients para sa macaroni salad. So ano lang yan, celery, red onion, at saka bell pepper na pula. Yan, tapos may mustard. So marami pang kulang yan na ingredients. So naubusan ako ng mayonnaise. Bali si Han at saka yung papa niya sumaglit dun sa grocery ngayon. So yung magiging ingredients ng vegetable salad, bali yung romaine lettuce lang at saka onion kasi ayaw naman nila ng ibang ingredients. So, sayang naman kung hahaluan ko pa ng mga ibang ingredients kung hindi naman makakain. So, ang importante is yung dressing. Ngayon, naglalaga naman ako ng itlog panghalo sa macaroni salad. So, bali 6 eggs siya. Kasi inubos ko yung isang box ng macaroni. Parang yung sa recipe kasi ano lang, kalahati lang. Pero inubos ko na kasi sayang naman. Baka hindi na naman maluto yung kalahati. Masasayang lang. So, tatagal naman siguro to sa ref. Kaso may mayonnaise nga lang. Yung kapag may mayonnaise, baka mabilis mapanis. Ewan ko lang. Try pa rin natin. Yan guys, dito ako sa labas ngayon. Hintayin ko yung dalawa. Ang lamig, wala akong jacket.
You got me laughing like I've never been hurt. Bring out my good side when I'm at my worst. You got this way of talking me down. Love when you say, oh, no, it's not how we go. What's time when the feeling's so right? Kinda cute that we started our friends. Think about you whenever I'm not talking to you. Kinda scary that it's gonna make sense. Keeping my cool, I don't know what to do. Is now how you? I think I like it. I think I like it. A little too much. I'd be lying if I said I was a crush. A little too much.
Little bit. Let's go. Did you enjoy? Yan naman yung mga drinks nila na nandito sa labas. Pinapalamig.
Tell me what's been blocking you away. 'Cause I know how it feels when the walls are breaking through. When it's dark and I don't know what to do. Then I look at you and your light fills up the room.
Italian style pizza. Ready to bake na po yan. Tapos na yung ating macaroni salad. So, ilalagay ko lang to sa Tupperware and then palalamigin na siya. Sabi ko kay Mister, ilagay yung macaroni salad sa labas para lumamig. Tignan mo yung ginawa niya. Oh, 'di ba? Ayan yung ating macaroni salad, guys. Nilagyan niya ng ice sa dalawang gilid. Oh, yan. So, yan na yung ating pizza. Yan yung ating macaroni. Yan. Ang vinaigrette. Ito yung ating mga salad sauce. So, maglalagay tayo ng Tabasco for hot sauce. Wow. We're watching Keeping Up with the Joneses. Amazon